Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am unboxing the new multifunction printer which is Epson Workforce Pro WF3820. Let's see what's inside the box. So this is the printer, which is a multifunction, can print, copy, scan and fax. And this is the power cable and the four different cartridges. This use the cartridges, so four different color cartridges, and plus the software CD and the manual. So pretty much all the same thing. So on the front is a touchscreen monitor, and then this is a paper tray. And this is a power button and plus the fax indicator. On the side is a USB for scanning or printing directly. So on the back is the point for the power, and this is the point for the phone cable, and then this is the point for Ethernet and the printer cable if you have to connect the printer cable. On the top is the paper tray for scanning or any kind of copying. So this is the place where you can put up the cartridges: black, blue, magenta and yellow color. This is how you correctly put up those four cartridges. Make sure that these are put up correctly. This is the paper tray, and it can take A4, A5 paper size. The print speed is 11 pages per minute. The printer is now getting ready for your use. So after this setup, this is my main menu where you can copy, scan and fax. So you can do the network setup, select any Wi-Fi. I am putting the USB on the front. Then you select the scan. Then you can select the memory device. So it asks for the black and white or color, and PDF or text. So I am looking for PDF. So that's done, so I click OK. So and then I have put up my document to scan on the top. So now I have to press this. This is scanning now. So one page has been scanned, so it's all done. So now you can take out the USB. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.